Hi guys, it's Steve from Techie Tips, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the snipping tool that normally comes free with Windows 10. And what you can do with this tool is you can snip pictures, copy them into any editing software like Word or Excel. It's completely free. And to start off, if you haven't already got the snipping tool, then you'll need to go to this URL, which I will paste in the description below. It is not an affiliate link. This is completely free software from this site. But just to check that you haven't got it, or you have got it, if you come to the bottom left hand corner, go to the search button and type in Snip. If you see snipping tool here, then you've already got the snipping tool installed. If you don't see it, then you simply need to go to the download link here and install it, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So click on the download and you'll get this capture screenshot light setup. Double click yes to allow apps to make changes, and then you'll come to the setup for the screenshot software. Create a desktop shortcut icon, you can leave that ticked. Start automatically with Windows, we'll untick that because we don't want it to automatically start, and we'll click next. Click install, and it's as simple as that. Now you've got the snipping tool, which is here, ready and waiting to go. So what I'll do now is I'll give you a quick demonstration on how you can use it. So once you've got it installed, if you come down to the start menu, click on Snip, you'll see snipping tool here. Just click it and you'll get this menu. Now there's a number of modes with the snipping tool. So if we select from the first one, free form snip, what you can do here is, can you see how my cursor has changed to a pair of scissors? Well, what you can do is you can just go and cut whatever particular image or text or document that you want, and it cuts it nicely into a picture there. So all you need to do there is click on File, Save As, Pictures, and I'll just call this Test 1. And now it's saved this picture in my pictures as Test 1. So now what we'll do is we'll go to the snipping tool again, and we'll try in a different mode, which is a rectangular snip. So what you can see here is my icon has turned to a cross, and you can actually, it'll draw straight lines, and you can come down and you can cut and paste whatever you want, making it bigger, larger, smaller, just this bit, the picture as well. Let go, and then away you go. You can just click File, Save As, and save it to your pictures document again. So we'll close that, we don't want to save it. We'll go back to the snipping tool, and in the third option you've got Window Snip. So if you click Window Snip, what this does, it actually snips the whole screen. Okay, but we'll cancel out of that because we don't want to do that. So if we go to snipping tool again, the one I tend to use the most is freeform snip or rectangular snip. Rectangular snip is this cross one. So I can just, if I wanted to do the whole page nice and right to the edge, I can do it. If I wanted to do just to here, I can do it. the way you do this is you just hold your left mouse button down and just drag this to wherever you want it to be, let go, and then just do File and Save As to whatever folder you want to save it to. So that's it for this short tutorial on the snipping tool and how to use it and how to download it. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.